Today's teacher in the classroom is Karen Ranzi, and today we talked about Heal and Prevent Autism. It's natural solutions that work. And so today we had a conversation that for sure will be taken off of YouTube and Facebook. You will find this conversation only on BitChute and Odyssey. And below in the description, you will find the link. All you have to do is click on it and it will take you straight to the conversation and the full conversation. But for now, you're going to get a little recap from Karen and I. So Karen, thank you so much for being part of the classroom today. For people that are going to be tuning in to the entire class, which was probably about an hour and a half, what should they expect to learn very quickly?
They should definitely expect to learn about nutrition for autism, about other healthy lifestyle aspects for autism, healing, for learning the risk factors that are associated with autism and how to begin to turn them around.
Absolutely.
And also just in general, how to raise healthy, happy kids.
Absolutely. So there's a lot more in there. We talked about some choices that we as parents have to make when our children are born and how to avoid some of these choices and how to learn how it's going to impact our children as well. Just not going to say it right now because we want this video to be on Facebook and YouTube. I want to encourage you to go to whenyouneedafriend.com. Please subscribe to the website so that you know who are the teachers in the classroom, and it'll also show you the past shows that you can just click on as well. While you're there, please like and follow me on all social media, including BitChute and Odyssey, which you will be able to find this class in BitChute and Odyssey later on. And you can start your journey if you haven't started your journey, or start looking for a tribe that will help you align with what you would like for your life and for your children's life. And please remember, we'll be right here waiting for you worldwide at whenyouneedafriend.com. This is Lillian McDermott and Karen Ranzi wishing you love, peace, joy, and unexpected abundance. Make it the best day ever. Good job.